Stepped shaft 3 steps with chamfers processing. Step 1. Open the main processing menu button and select the stepped shaft processing icon. Step 2. Input mode data, such as processing length, processing radius, cutting depth per pass, feed rate, and save the data. Step 3. Confirm the tool setting point and press the physical tool settings button. After that, pull the lever to start processing. Step 4. After processing is completed, pull back the rotation and feed axis direction lever.